Model wire stripping machine. The machine is horizontal wire stripping machine. It has advanced design, rational structure, and stable performance. The machine can process round and sheets of different specifications. The largest characteristic of the machine is that it's applicable to hardened on-electric cape under low-temperature environment. It can break the wire on both sides by double blades, which significantly decrease manual workload. According to different wattages of each country, the specification of electrical machine can adopt 110V, 220V, 230V, 380V, etc. Method of application. Start the machine to check whether the machine operates normally and whether there is noise. If everything is normal, start to operate. During feed, check the diameters of various electrical capes and width of manshaft groove. Under related conditions, put electrical cape into feed opening. If the cable is not broken, check whether it's put into wrong feed opening, or adjust the reed shaft on the upper part of machine to turn clockwise. Properly adjust the spring pressure to start the work again. If the processed materials are too deep or have fracture or wear, pay attention to the following conditions. 1. Turn the upright screw, roll to adjust the spring pressure. 2. Check whether it's put into the wrong feed opening. 3. The blade of new machine is too sharp. It would operate normally after operating for several hours.